Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe. That is the Dutch baby pancake, or known to as the German pancake. For this we need some sugar, some flour, some milk, some eggs, some sugar, some vanilla, some powdered sugar, and some butter. First things first that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And then we're also going to preheat our pan with some butter in it. So let's get ours ready. Alright y'all, so this is so simple as taking our cast iron skillet. I have a 12-inch. For this, you really do want a cast iron skillet. There's a lot of stuff I do on here with the cast iron skillet that you could use anything for, but this you really do want a cast iron for. And it's so simple, we're just going to go ahead and take 4 tablespoons of butter, that's half a stick, drop this in, throw it in our preheated oven while we mix the rest of it up. So let's throw this in our oven at 400 degrees, let this pan preheat and melt that butter, and mix everything else up. Alright y'all, so we have a mixing bowl. We have our electric mixer with our whisk on it. If you want, you could even do this in a blender if you'd like. But we've gone ahead and heated 3/4 of a cup of milk up in the microwave for about 20-30 seconds. To this, we're going to crack 3 eggs. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of our sugar, just a pinch of our salt, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and I almost forgot, we're going to take a teaspoon of our vanilla extract. Now it's as simple as if you got this in a blender, cover your blender and just let it go. We're using our electric mixer with a whisk, and we're just gonna first we're gonna want to form a good batter, but then we're gonna want to get this as much air into this, make it as light and fluffy as possible. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we hit that for about a minute, and as you can see, let me just go ahead and zoom in here. As you can see, it's really airy and foamy. That's what we're looking for. So now we need our skillet. Alright y'all, so we have our skillet out. Our butter's melted. We're just gonna go ahead, kind of tilt this around, try to get that butter up on the edges a little bit. And now we're just going to quickly dump in our batter. Get it all. Take this, throw it in the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and leave that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it poofs up and becomes golden brown. At that point, I'll bring you back and we'll take a look at it. Alright y'all, so ours stayed in there for about 23 minutes. Now you gotta be quick on these, because just while I was setting up the camera, it already sunk. But you'll notice it's really big and it's poofy, and these are just air cavities that got nothing in them. Now you could do a lot with this. Classic would just be put a little melted butter on top with some lime juice and then hit it with some powdered sugar. You could put fruit in this before you put it in the oven. You could put fruit and syrup over this when it's done. But here today, we are just going to do something much simpler. I'm just going to take a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm just going to dust this with some powdered sugar. Now this is a dish best served hot. So you pull it out of the oven, have everybody ready to eat this thing that's gonna be eaten on this. This is good for 2, 3, maybe 4 people at the most. But have them ready to eat this thing as soon as it comes out. So if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And then until next time, keep on cooking on.